Selenium automation testing. Real-time scenario-based Selenium automation testing interview questions and answers Part 5. Scenario 1. Simulating geolocation. Question 1. How do you test location-based features using Selenium? Answer. Use Chrome DevTools Protocol, CDP, to override geolocation. Map string, object coordinates equals new hashmap. Coordinates.put, latitude, 37.7749. Coordinates.put, longitude, minus 122.4194. Coordinates.put, accuracy, 1. Chrome driver.execute CDP command, emulation.set geolocation override, coordinates. Scenario 2. Intercepting network requests. Question 2. How can you intercept and validate network traffic during Selenium tests? Answer. Use tools like BrowserMob Proxy or Selenium 4 CDP API to capture and assert network calls and responses. Scenario 3. Handling progressive web apps, PWAs. Question 3. How do you test a progressive web app with Selenium? Answer. Validate service workers, offline availability, and manifest files using Browser DevTools ARPUS and Selenium automation with specific Chrome flags. Scenario 4. Secure credentials management. Question 4. How do you manage sensitive credentials securely in Selenium tests? Answer. Use encrypted configuration files, environment variables, or secret managers, example, AWS Secrets Manager, HashiCorp Vault, instead of hard-coding credentials in code. Scenario 5. Testing WebSockets or live data. Question 5. How do you verify UI updates driven by WebSocket communication? Answer. Use JavaScript Executor to poll the DOM for content changes. Combine with mock WebSocket servers for predictable testing in lower environments. Scenario 6. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, handling. Question 6. How do you automate flows involving MFA? Answer. Avoid automating real MFA, instead, mock or bypass it in test environments via feature flags or stubbed verification. For OTP, intercept test email or SMS ARPUS. Scenario 7. Complex table interactions. Question 7. How do you validate dynamic, paginated tables with filters or sorting? Answer. Use dynamic XPath or CSS selectors to extract data, loop through pagination, apply filters for sort options, and assert data consistency against expected results or ARPUS. Scenario 8. Testing WebAssembly-based apps. Question 8. How do you test applications built using WebAssembly, WASM? Answer. Treat them like regular web apps for UI, but validate WASM-specific performance or load times using DevTools Protocol or external monitoring tools. Scenario 9. Time-based UI behavior. Question 9. How do you test time-dependent UI changes like countdowns or session timeouts? Answer. Use clock mocking where possible, example, signin.js, or programmatically control time using JavaScript Executor or configuration flags in the application. Scenario 10. Hybrid framework integration. Question 10. How do you design a hybrid test automation framework in Selenium? Answer. Combine data-driven, Excel or CSV, the DB input, keyword-driven, externalized test steps, page object model, maintainable UI abstraction, BDD, or modular test structures. Ensure it supports CI, reporting, reusable utilities, and environment management. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you learned something new today, and subscribe for more hands-on QA and automation content. Keep learning, keep growing.